Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is the holiday season. We're actually going to be cooking large volumes of food this particular season, and we'll end up with dirty pots and we'll need scouring powder to wash it off. So stay tuned, let me teach you how to make scouring powder at home. First on our list, we'll be needing what we call calcium carbonate. It's a filler for this particular production. In the absence of calcium carbonate, please do make use of kaolin clay. Where can you see calcium carbonate to buy? It is one of the major components that is used in making paint that is used in painting houses. So if you should go to where they sell building materials in your area where you stay, you can actually ask them for the white filler powder. It is also used in making white chalk that is used on blackboards. So if you don't see it at a chemical seller point, you will see it where they sell building materials. Just ask for white filler or calcium carbonate, whatever they call it, but it's very cheap. It's as cheap as 4,000 naira for 50 kg bag of calcium carbonate. So that's our main base, is our filler, and that's the main thing we need. After measuring 500 grams of calcium carbonate, we'll be needing 500 grams of sodium carbonate, also known as soda ash. Please, I'm making use of the light one. You can already see it from the video. I'm not making use of soda ash dense. I'm making use of soda ash light. So you need to, this is how it looks like on a closer view. Is a base, is a strong alkaline. We'll be needing the same quantity, which is 500 grams, to make this particular production. This will help in cleaning surfaces. It will also help in washing out dirt from the back of your pots. So do we all know what is scouring powder? It's actually used to clean our porcelain sinks. It's also used to wash our kitchenwares, our stainless kitchenwares, aluminium. It helps to actually wash and shine it, and also remove tough grease stains on your gas cooker. Then we'll be needing a little bit of an extra additive to boost the potency of the scouring powder. You can use boric acid, you can use citric acid powder. It will just help to balance your pH and also help to boost the effectiveness of the scouring powder. Now our major ingredient is sodium bicarbonate, also known as baking soda. If you are confused about where to get this, you can get it in a baking store. It's called baking soda. Or you can also, this is how it looks like, or you can get it in the chemical store. It is called sodium bicarbonate. Do you know this is actually the main ingredient that is in the scouring powder? This is actually what gives you the shine on your pot. This is what leaves your pot shining. This is what leaves your kitchenware shining. Look at this particular scouring powder, Zip. It is boldly written on the body, made with bicarbonate. They always write it on the body. So it's a major component to make your scouring powder very effective. You can call it scouring powder, you can call it washing powder, but it's tough on stains. It removes grease stains a lot, and it also helps to wash out black charcoal stains behind your pot and even inside your pot. You can also use it on your sinks, your bathtubs, to remove any stains on it. So once you are done, you add in your fragrance. What I added last was the fragrance. 5 to 10 ml of fragrance is enough for this production, or even 5 ml. If you want it to have the lemon zesty fragrance, you use lemon fragrance. In fact, there are lots of fragrance out there. Just make use of the one that is not dark in color or brown in color like vanilla. Vanilla always turns white productions, but any other one can go. So once you're done, just mix it all up. Mix, stir very well. You can actually use your finger to mix it and make sure that everything is well incorporated and mixed together. You should have a very good homogeneous mixture once you are done. You shouldn't have any parts left behind. And then if you want to add a little bit detergency to this production, like make it foam a little bit, it's not all the products in the market that is actually foaming. But if you want to make yours to foam a little bit, you can actually go ahead to add in a little bit of SLS powder to it to make it to foam a little. If you don't have SLS powder, you can actually buy a powder detergent around you and just sprinkle in a few, whether at least 1 to 2 tablespoons if you want it to foam a little bit. Like I said, it's optional. It's not all brands that foams while making use of it. Some people just end up using it and also adding a little bit of a detergent while making use of their scouring powder to wash their pots and to wash their sinks. But this is a very effective formula. When I mean, you'll be so surprised when you make this and when you use it. You can actually make it and gift out. You can make it for production. You can make it in big batch and actually sell it out to people in the market and make some money off this production. It's not everybody that knows how to make this, and it is not even about making it. It's about making a very potent one, the one that can actually serve the customer very well, the one that the customer will finish using and they will tell you, yes, it actually works very well. So this formulation is good. You can save it up, you can write it out in your formula pad, you can try it out and give me a feedback if you did it. Testing time. Let's test what we actually produce and see how effective it is on a stainless kitchenware. All you need to just add a little bit, use your scouring sponge, touch it a little bit of water, and then you wash. It doesn't even take a lot of pressure, a lot of time to do this. Just within the next few seconds, you are done washing and you rinse off and you'll see your point shining and looking very bright. Can we all just take a moment and please give me a thumbs up, like my video and subscribe to my channel? I would deeply appreciate it. Thank you all.